So tonight's session is about script writing, especially ad creative script writing. Now, ad creative script writing is actually very interesting. If you think about it, there are a lot of ads that we see, and I'm not talking about those movie ads right now. I'm talking about let's begin smaller. Let's talk about the Facebook ads, the Instagram ads that we see, the YouTube ads that we see, the video-based ads that we see online. Now, there are a lot of products that work really well and they sell really well with carousel graphic ads. But for most products, which, for example, calling for a workshop, you just don't see a graphic and go like, yeah, I want to enroll. A video, an interactive video, really does the trick. There's another brand, Rage Coffee. Even they have a very strong marketing campaign. They do the ad with Mumbaiker Nikhil, I think. So that is also like, now that video is a spokesperson video. A spokesperson video meaning that the guy is just vlogging in a way and he's talking to you guys through the camera, and he is talking about all the great things. This is there are all these different flavors. There's mocha, there's hazelnut, blah 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 blah. That's a spokesperson ad. Whereas something like the Sleepy Owl ad, in which she's knocking on the glass door and then she's not even saying a thing, and just there's some text coming up and then she's like coming to the point. And the best part was they kind of accepted that it's an ad, and they said that it costs them 65 point something rupees or something, 60 something rupees, so that you could actually click on the ad or something like that, right? Pretty interesting, pretty interesting. They laid down their statistics and everything, and that this is what happens, and you kind of start relating to them that they're being honest, and they just kind of won your trust out there. Very interesting ad. Now, how do we design such an ad structure? The way that we do it is, it's called screenplay writing, actually. Okay, right now I'm talking about script. How do we create an interesting script for any noobish person? So you don't need to know all those fancy terms. I will talk about that too if you want to go deeper into that. But for basics, how do you kind of write a script in the right manner? Now think about it. I'll give you guys a scenario and let's see how do you write. Okay, I'm going to enact something. You have to write that. I want to see what do you write. So if I do something like, oh, hello. So these are my Samsung Galaxy Buds. What I really like about them is they're magnetic and they're tiny. Nobody can really see. That's all. I did this. What are you going to write? Go ahead. Chaitra is writing, ABC holds the bud in his hands and puts them back in the box, which gets fixated immediately thanks to the magnetic effect, and has a satisfied smile on his face. Well, not bad. Sakina, in. Man turns towards screen. Holds Samsung Galaxy earbuds. Opens earbuds. Man, hi there. These are my Samsung Galaxy Buds. What I really like about these is that puts it in hand and puts it on and shows it's magnetic and really small, so they cannot even be seen. Man closes the box, end scene. Okay, a little better, of course. Good. Mr. Miss XYZ holds the Samsung Galaxy earbuds in his hand, showcases the magnetic box properly, introduced the product while a voiceover narrates the small yet elegant feature. Side view of the model, then the model walks away as the camera fades and ye kab hua? No, you have to narrate exactly how it happened. Kshitij rotates his chair holding the buds. Kshitij, this is the small Samsung bud. Tap. Magnetic sounds of the closing. It's tiny, taking box closer to the cam. I like it. Not too bad, actually. Not too bad. You missed out a few points, but not too bad. Here, let me show you something, okay? It's raw. I'm not joking. I'm seeing it for the first time myself, so I have no idea how it's going to be like. But this is my teammate. She has written SFB screenplay. how many of you understood what was the difference between what you were doing and what's there in the script? Like, do you what did you feel about it? What really happens here is there's a box which divides the two sections. On the right side, there is the scene enactation, like how the scene plays in front of the camera and everything. So direction wise things on the right side, which has the details and everything. Left side is purely dialogues. It is so easy for the editor to do the job. It is so easy for the cameraman to do the job, and it is so easy for the actors to do the job because they know exactly what they have to, what's the feel of it, how they have to act, and what are the dialogues. This is what you need to do. It's like a small script, a pre-formatted screenplay in a way. You get a small 10-second, one part of ad creative, because the entire thing will take a lot of time. 10-second ad creative, something that I have to do to write a 10-second ad script. I will be performing that right now, whatever I can from this chair, this table, this mic and everything. Your job is to write it in the right manner so that I can enact it. And I'll tell you, as a person who has to act on it, do I find it easy or I didn't understand? Okay, and I'll tell you what's missing here. So it's an important part. When the dialogues are there on the right, on the left, there needs to be, like in this case, when the dialogue is there on the right, where I'm saying certain dialogue, on the left side, with what intention am I saying that dialogue? So for example, if I'm saying, hey, hi, I didn't see you there. So something like, Shraddha just confused, or something like Shraddha just like, he feels like he's caught. That's on the left hand side. Oh, you're wondering what I was doing, right? Well, I was listening to my favorite music through my Samsung Galaxy earbuds. Now you could have put something there. So for example, I was listening to points at the earbuds. I was listening to the Samsung Galaxy earbuds. Gets the buds case closer. Things like that, those things are missing. So without that, it could be a really good creative. I mean, it's not wrong in any way. You guys are doing a good job. I'm just talking about the kind of details that are probably missing. And if you do that, it's so much easier for the actor to do that, because I'm going to do exactly what's written there and it's going to miss out on a few details. I hope it's not a very difficult exercise. I don't even know, like, this is probably the first time when I'm doing all blanks and everything, wherein I'm waiting for you guys to do it. I hope it doesn't make the session boring in any way. I don't want it to be boring in any way, right? So the reason I'm giving some time is because I want to give you guys the creative liberty to go forward and write something. I don't expect the most creative work out of you right now, but I do expect some level of creativity mixed with what I'm saying, the implementation of it. So see, the first time you guys did it wrong. Second time, a bit wrong too. Third time, I can see good changes and things to be done. So that way you've understood what you've done when you actually do it. It's like my mom. I think मेरी मम्मी कहती थी पहले बचपन में कि आंसर ना लिखा करो तुम, मतलब जब तुम don't just memorize करने के बाद लिख भी दिया करो, वो दिमाग में बसा रहेगा. It's something like that, I think that advice is coming in true here. I think you guys you started understanding the concept behind it, that how do we write it and what is it for. It is for any kind of advertisement, to be very honest. It gives better clarity. So even if you're not the actor, what happens at times is, or you're not a director per se, but you want the perfect kind of a scene to be played out, or you have a client and you can't all the time be around. And nowadays people can literally shoot videos at home, but if you provide something like a script or a screenplay, it becomes super easy for them to understand that, okay, this is what is expected out of me. They can shoot it. And I think that's one of the very good ways of doing it. It's really good for the DOP. It's really good to get your idea approved, because this gives more clarity and visuals. So for me, I can just read it and visualize the entire concept. But if you write it in a paragraph, it won't work out. For them, it will be very, very confusing. They won't be able to understand it. This gives a very clear-cut idea. Okay, guys, good night. Unfortunately, I don't think I can doze off to sleep directly. I have to still make 2 calls, but I will sleep, and I need to start sleeping and getting proper rest to make these sessions interesting. Okay, guys, good night. Bye-bye. Telegram group, please. Telegram group.